This is a surprise rainstorm. Heavy, heavy, man. Totally unexpected. I was not ready for this at all. And nobody at our church came with umbrellas. Man alive, it's raining so heavy. Oh no, my hat just flew away. Man, I don't think the video does it justice, but it is raining heavy, heavy, heavy. The typhoon that was supposed to hit last weekend came back out of nowhere and just unleashed on us, man. Wow. Man alive. I doubt you can tell by the video, but it is pouring heavy.